and today we'll be doing the extreme science experiment. Let's take a look inside the crate and see what we all need. In the kit you will find instructions for the balloon experiment, a third cup of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 2 balloons in case one has a hole, and a blank piece of paper for a funnel. At home you will need an empty water bottle and tape to secure your funnel. Our first step, we're going to create a funnel with the paper, and remember it does have to fit inside of the balloon. We're going to start by taking a corner and rolling it inside, like so. Just keep rolling, and then once you get to the end, you can take your top piece and just keep twisting it to make the end smaller. And once you think you have it small enough, you might want to double check it is not small enough. And once you have your funnel done, double check that it fits, and then if it does, you're going to take a couple pieces of tape and secure it so that the funnel stays in place. After you have completed your funnel, you will insert it into your balloon and take your 2 teaspoons of baking soda and dump that into your funnel so it goes into the balloon. And you can feel it at the bottom of the balloon. After the balloon has been filled with the baking soda, you're going to take your funnel again and put it into your empty water bottle and dump the third cup of vinegar into your funnel. Vinegar is in the bottle. You're going to take your balloon filled with the baking soda and wrap it over the top of the water bottle, making sure that the balloon stays down so that this does not fall into the water bottle. Lastly, we're going to tip up the balloon so that the baking soda falls into the vinegar and your balloon will inflate. When you dump the vinegar in with the baking soda, it bubbled, creating a gas that filled up the balloon. Next, I will be doing the polymer bouncy ball, which is also found in the Extreme Science Clover Crate. It will have the instructions, an empty plastic bag, an empty cup, a spoon, Elmer's glue already mixed with the food coloring, 1 tablespoon of borax, and from home you will need a half a cup of warm water. First, you will take the half a cup of warm water and dump it into the empty cup. Then take your tablespoon of borax and dump that into the cup. Then you will stir until the borax is completely dissolved. After the borax has been dissolved, you will set that aside and stir your food coloring and Elmer's glue together. After it is stirred, you will dump the Elmer's glue into the borax and water solution. When the glue hits the borax solution, it will be forming a solid. Allow a mixture to sit for 10 to 15 seconds. After it has sat, take your spoon and break up the big clumps of glue that still are in there. Once the mixture has sat for your 10 to 15 seconds and you got all the clumps out, you can go ahead and remove it from the solution, and you may want to have something below your cup as we are going to be molding this into a ball and it can be quite messy. So you're just going to keep molding it, and it will feel a little squishy. how high it got.